With a little baby, I susulo with you. Ay, magsampay tayo. Makulimlim ang panahon, guys. So, magsampay pa rin tayo guys para mahanginan mo ng konti. Kitag ulan na ang ating weather ngayon. Ayan, magsampay na si Lola. 2 a.m. and breeze come. Here we are in the frozen night. Treating me as a kisses. Not with your man. Seems to be. You're asking me. But only again. So